Trick or treat!
Are you wondering how you're going to set your house up for trick or treat this year with COVID? Well, everything is a first this year, including a safe, socially distanced Halloween. Welcome to the LANDIS Look, where we take an inside look at the world of real estate. And today we're going to take an inside look on how to set your house up for trick or treat. And we're here with Phil. Phil, thanks for being here today.
Happy to be here.
So Phil is a good friend of JLG. He is also a super creative guy, and he actually had a plan for COVID before there was COVID. Phil, tell us about what you did last year for trick or treat at your house that works out perfectly this year.
Yeah, so strange coincidence that we have COVID this year, but we have a lot of steps, and we didn't want smaller kids to have to climb up 2 sets of stairs, especially with the costumes and chance getting hurt. So we built a candy chute.
A candy chute,
to
I
allow
like it.
kids to stay down at the bottom of the stairs, and we could just drop candy to them. So this year, obviously, for other reasons, you want to stay apart. So it just happened to be a convenient option.
And I mean, I remember when we got here last year, the kids were so excited about it because nobody else was doing it. How did it work out last year since you've already done it?
Oh, it worked out great. I mean, people were taking pictures, people were taking videos of it. So, and it's not expensive to do either. So just, a piece of poster board from Office Depot, and then a couple of pieces of PVC from Home Depot.
So you just took the PVC. I mean, it's pretty simple. So just tell everybody how you did it. With
Yeah.
PVC.
So I think we got 2 8-foot pieces of PVC and one little 45-degree elbow to put at the end to turn it down, and they fit together just fine. I mean, they're meant to do that. And then the scarecrow we already had, that was part of our fall decoration. So I mean, that's all it takes. Just a little bit of glue, and that's it.
And then you just zip tie it to the railing.
Yeah, that's right. So we use zip ties, and then we put some orange and black string around it just to try to decorate it a little bit. So very unscientific and very not fancy. So
I love it though, because I mean, now you have kept the distance. The kids can get their candy. Any tips for people doing it this year? Anything you've learned from doing it before?
Well, it's easy for us because we have a nice big slope. I think if your house is not way above the street, you might have to figure out how to get enough slope that the candy goes all the way down the chute. But otherwise, just I don't think the bar is very high for how scientific you have to be, so whatever works for you. So.
Awesome, man. Well, I really appreciate this look. I mean, this has obviously been a really tough year. It's fun to have fun with things that can be fun, and so this is something that you're having fun with, and we really appreciate that.
Yep.
Everybody, have a great Halloween. Be safe, be careful, and I hope you guys enjoyed this. We'll see you again next week.